The kitchen must be a minimum of 18 square meters. It needs to have sufficient built-in cupboards, work surfaces, and the space must be allocated for a fridge, a stove, and dishwasher. So all of these things that I'm highlighting now is actually specifications that fits into the kitchen. There must be a door that leads from this kitchen to the outside, and then a second door, another door leading from the kitchen into the dining room. So the kitchen and the dining room is actually joined here by a doorway. So it's not an open plan. Pay attention to that. The dining room must have sufficient space for small tables, 4 of them, and each with 2 chairs. So really, it's only for 8 people to be seated at that dining room, and a long serving table for displaying the breakfast items in the morning. So a display table needs to fit in there, and then 2 plastic water tanks, each between 2,000 and 3,000 liters, must be placed against one of the side walls of the building for the harvesting of rainwater. So important here, this sidewall, because these 2 tanks, if you look further on in the 2-point perspective, when we get to that tutorial, it must be visible in your 2-point perspective. So if it's on the back wall, it won't be, because you're going to be looking at that home from the front. So make sure your 2 water tanks is placed on a sidewall. So that's just a quick bonus tip there for you. There must be 3